The main goals of NGMM are to establish a first-of-its-kind U.S.-based 3D HI research, prototyping, and pilot production center, enable design and fabrication of microsystems using mixed materials beyond just silicon, build a self-sustaining innovation ecosystem that supports low-volume, quick-turn development that spans design, integration, packaging, and testing, and serve both national security needs and commercial innovation with the next frontier of advanced microelectronics. In phase one, we're focused on building the infrastructure needed to support the process capability, establishing the baseline fabrication processes, and building the infrastructure that's required to support design and manufacture of these advanced microsystems. In phase two, we'll focus on maturing all of those technologies, building and testing an initial set of prototypes to validate the processes and capability, and really automating all of the key processes to bring NGMM into a reality. The NGMM facilities will serve as a national resource, bringing together researchers, startups, defense partners, and industry to design, prototype, and manufacture next-generation microsystems faster, smaller, and smarter.